The app that almost failed. Arif was a 22-year-old student who loved solving problems with technology. He dreamed of making a mobile app that would help students share notes and tips for exams. He didn't have much money or any team, only his laptop and a big idea. He built the first version of his app in his bedroom. It looked rough and had many bugs. When he released it to his college friends, almost no one used it. The design was confusing, and it crashed a lot. People laughed and told him to stop wasting time. Arif felt embarrassed. He even thought of deleting the whole project. But then he said to himself, "I've learned so much already. If I fix what's wrong, maybe it can work." He collected every piece of feedback, watched tutorials, and taught himself better coding and design. A few months later, he released version 2. It was smoother and faster, but still not perfect. Only a few hundred students used it. Some features didn't work. Yet, this time he didn't feel defeated. He knew each release was practice. He kept going. He worked nights in cafes, asked mentors for advice, and saved money to hire a designer for a clean look. He removed features people didn't like and improved the ones they did. He learned marketing, made a simple website, and started talking about the app on social media. After almost a year of trying, version 5 came out. It was light, fast, and easy to use. Suddenly, thousands of students downloaded it. Positive reviews poured in. Teachers started recommending it. Within another year, the app had over 1 million users, and investors offered Arif funding to expand worldwide. Lesson: the first try almost never works. Feedback is gold. Use it to improve. Each failure is training for success. Belief plus hard work can turn a small idea into something huge.